Is this the soundtrack to your summer? Put an end to the menace. Dynatrap kills mosquitoes and other flying pests and lets you enjoy the sounds of summer once again. Safe, silent, simple. With Dynatrap, mosquito relief is on the way.
Introducing the all-new Mosquito Magnet Patriot Plus, now featuring a larger self-contained rigid net for more effective and efficient operation, an extra long power cord to help you optimize its placement, and easy setup and operation. The Patriot Plus is your solution for a mosquito-free summer. The Patriot Plus lures in mosquitoes, midges, and no-see-ums by releasing CO2 and mimicking the natural scents that attract them to humans. Then, a powerful vacuum with patented counterflow technology sucks them into the trap chamber. Once inside, they can't escape and die within 24 hours. Covering up to a full acre, the Patriot Plus will make sure nowhere in your yard is safe for a mosquito. Having a yard that's the envy of the neighborhood is as easy as setting it up in spring, turning it on, and letting the trap lure in the mosquitoes. You'll see results in 7 to 10 days and substantial declines in mosquito populations in 4 weeks. Plus, the Patriot Plus comes backed by a 1-year limited warranty, giving you both peace of mind and a mosquito-free yard. So stop swatting, shooing, and slapping mosquitoes and take back your summer with the new Mosquito Magnet Patriot Plus.
Catchy's insect trap has mastered the art of bug catching. It is designed to trap fruit flies, mosquitoes, gnats, and moths. Catchy works with a triple trapping power. In the first stage, the UV light attracts flying insects who gather under the lamp. In the second stage, the insects are sucked into the machine by the fan. Finally, the bugs will get stuck on the gluey board that not even the tiniest insects can escape from. You'll get visible results in a couple days. Replacing the sticky glue board is simple. Just remove the plastic cover from the glue pad, place it on the bottom of the trap, and close the storage box. Now the trap is ready to catch again. For better results, place the trap as close to the bugs as possible. For example, next to the fruit bowl, plants, or trash bin. Bugs are attracted to the UV light in dark. Want your child to have a good night's sleep? Let the trap remove all the annoying mosquitoes from the bedroom before sleep time. Catchy. Life without the buzz.